Hi there! Today, we bring you a newly designed visual counting machine. It can count 3 to 40mm tablets, capsules, gummies into bottles, with a capacity of 60 pieces per bottle. The max output is 70 bottles per minute. With the help of CCD camera visual counting, the counting is 100% accurate. The new pattern detection and waste rejection functions enable this machine to detect and reject capsules of different sizes and colors. The modular design makes it possible for us to install and disassemble this machine as a whole, ensuring easy cleaning and maintenance. If you need to know more details of this tablet capsule counter, feel free to contact Rotary Packing.